Welcome to our channel Riddle Nepal. You have 15 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin. Riddle number 1. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Answer is footstep. Riddle number 2. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kill me. What am I? Answer is fire. Riddle number 3. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? The future. Riddle number 4. What do you throw out when you use it but take in when you don't want to use it? Answer is an anchor. Riddle number 5. What word is pronounced the same if you take away 4 of its 5 letters? Answer is Q. Riddle number 6. A man goes out in a heavy rain with nothing to protect him from it. His hair doesn't get wet. How does he do that? Answer is he is bald. Riddle number 7. What has to be broken before you can use it? Answer is an egg. Riddle number 8. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Answer is light. Riddle number 9. What kind of coat is always wet when you put it in? Answer is a coat of paint. Riddle number 10. Tear off my skin. I won't cry, but you will. What am I? Answer is onion. Riddle number 11. I shrink smaller every time I take a bath. What am I? Answer is a soap. Today's last riddle. What tastes better than it? Smells. Answer is your tongue. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to share with your friend and also like and subscribe.